What's good, YouTube? It's your boy K2 Analytics. Hell nah. No. What's good, broke ass niggas? It's your boy K2 Analytics. And today I'm gonna show y'all how to find support and resistance so you can make money from your trades from now on. Let's get right into this shit. Alright, so support is when there's a sudden stop in the downtrend, and resistance is when there's a sudden stop in the uptrend. You know, it's pretty simple. As you can see in the chart below, you know what I'm saying? This is like MU, stock market, you know what I'm saying? You see this resistance at the top? Resistance is a got down. You see the line on the top? That's what you call a trend line. And the trend line, it doesn't really break too much higher above that trend line. Now I'm gonna take out a trading view. It's a free place, you know what I'm saying? The website, you got the app, you got all that, it's free. I'm about to take out to the website and give y'all an example. Alright, so this trading view. And this is an example of Bitcoin right here. We're looking at the weekly chart right now. And we're gonna find some support. So as I said before, support is when there's a sudden stop in the uptrend. So we're gonna go to this daily chart. We at the weekly right now. We're gonna see if we can find some support here. Alright, so the highest point of support is right here, around August 15th. Can y'all see this line right here? It never breaks above this. So what you would do is you will draw a trend line. And how I drew that trend line was right here, like the main tool. Then you click, it breaks no higher than that. That's what you call support. Because support is a sudden stop in the uptrend. Don't go above the uptrend. You know, support it really varies whether you're in a bull market or a bear market. Because you will see very little support in the bear market because the market keeps going down. As y'all can see, you know what I'm saying? It looks like you're trying to reverse, but it still keep going down. And this is the highest it's ever been. So now I'm gonna give you another example. We're gonna do Apple. So that bitch over the stops for y'all. Right. God damn, I might hit this down blunt again. I ain't even finna cap. Goddamn fact. I'll be right motherfucking back. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get back, so you know what I'm saying? This is an example of Apple. I'm sorry, now we're looking at the daily chart. And right now we're gonna try to find one more uptrend. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna see if we can find the stop. But it looks pretty simple. You see this green right here? He's just gonna scale out and we gonna graph. We gonna right here, cause that was where it was at. You need to do a straight line. Just that simple. This is the day chart. You see, this shows the support and the stop from the uptrend from all the way to goddamn December 7th, 2021. It's almost been a whole year. So you know what I'm saying? This actually been a major uptrend because it hit this point 1, 2, 3 times. So this is a major uptrend. So what, like, if it would have hit this uptrend one more time, I would suggest y'all putting puts. You know what I'm saying? Especially if it don't go above it. But you know what I'm saying? I ain't no financial advisor by any means. But we're gonna try another one. We're gonna look for the resistance now. We're gonna do an example with AMD. Alright, so I am currently trading AMD right now. This is how I made a whole bunch of money trading options. Shout out to AMD. This is my #1 stock I trade. But so the definition of resistance is resistance from a stop in the downtrend. You know, you resisting it from going any further. Like the ground. You know what I'm saying? Ain't shit going below the ground, bro. You know what I'm saying? That's what resistance is. The ground is the flow. Resistance, that's the flow. You know, the stop in the downtrend. Like right here, y'all can see I already graphed this right here. But you see, it went below, and then it went right back above, and that's a strong, this is an example of a very, very, very strong resistance. You know what I'm saying? This is a very strong resistance because ain't nothing went below it. You know what I'm saying? It really broke. I'm gonna count this point. It stopped the resistance down high. Yeah, so look. See, it hit the point 1, but 2 times it hit the point of resistance. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it broke down below, but it really went right back above it. That's 1, 2. And look, this day chart, let's say we zoom out. See, it hit it. It did the same thing all the way back in May 17, 2021. And it went below, and it went right back up, and they're doing the same thing now. So I'm thinking, I'm playing calls. I did a call option, so I'm playing calls all the way to damn near, November almost. Basically, like right here, I expect it to be right here. But you know what I'm saying? If it don't, I'm gonna pull out. You know me, man. Gotta pull out. Fuck, I thought this was, I ain't putting all my money in that shit. But look, you see, this is a major resistance level. Like, let's go on the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, you can even see some major. 1, 2, 3. Goddamn, y'all see them shits? 4, 5. 1, 2. Goddamn, 4, 5, 6. You see? Man, this is a very strong resistance. This is a good example of resistance. I'm gonna show y'all one more example of resistance. Alright, so this is an example of Mana. This is a cryptocurrency. You know, I'm trying to be diverse, you know. Stocks and cryptos, what I really do for sure. So, and this is the weekly chart. You know, like I said, resistance was there to stop in the downtrend. You see, it was all-time highs, November 2021. I remember, because this was my dumb ass bought in. And then it just went all the way down. And then it stopped right here. You see this? This is what you call resistance. And it was right here, right before it hit an all-time high, like October 2021. It was literally at the same level. And this is on the weekly chart. We can zoom in on the daily, but since the volume is so low, we would have to zoom all the way out. It'll be real small like this. But y'all can still see. Hold on, my trend lines work. Hold on, I got y'all. Y'all can barely see, but y'all get a point. Because it's really consolidating at this line. Like, this is basically the dead zone. This reminds me of the dead zone, like right before it takes off. So it might take off in any minute, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, my dumb ass bought right here, and you know what I'm saying, I put out like right here. And then I bought right here. And then it went up, and then it came right back down. So yeah, I was like, yeah, for that crypto shit. But you know what I'm saying, I'm back on it for shit show, cause I know what I'm doing. But yeah, you see, 1, 2, 3, and it's like 4, 5, you know, it got other small times, but it's really just consolidating at these times. So this is a strong point of resistance. You know, the flow. I ain't going nowhere below it. I mean, it might bounce down just like this, but I don't expect it to go too much far below this. And if it do, I don't expect it to go that far for long. You see on the daily chart, this was like a week period. May 7th to like May 16th, like that's like 10 days like this. When they did go below, yeah, watch for the reversal. Watch for the reversal. Alright, y'all, so now we back. We looking at the AMG, and I'm just gonna give y'all a quick review of everything we went over, so y'all don't forget none of this shit I just told y'all. So like I said, support is when there's a stop in the uptrend, and resistance when there's a stop in the downtrend. I'm finna graph this shit real quick. Right now, we finna graph the support, which is the stop in the uptrend. And I think a good support would be right here. This is like a great support. We're gonna extend the lines. Yeah, and then we're going to graph a good resistance, which is the floor, a downtrend, a stop in the downtrend. You see it's going down, a stop in the downtrend. All right, there. But like I said, this is your support, and this is your resistance. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy K2 Analytics. You know what I'm saying? I just taught y'all boy how to find support, resistance. Go ahead, subscribe, like, and do all that other shit you're supposed to do. You know what I'm saying?